On August 19 local time, Rain appeared as a guest star and MC at KCON LA on the second day. In his appearance at the event, Rain was seen being given a different response by the audience. A Korean netizen posted this on the community site Theqoo and gave an explanation as to why Rain was being treated like this by the audience. The reason is because he always debuts idol groups on the premise of producing for them, but he always leaves the group without any responsibility, so foreign fans hate him because of that.